Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what is a kernel is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a kernel? In computing, a kernel is a central component of most operating systems. It acts as a bridge between applications and the actual hardware of a computer. Essentially, it manages system resources such as memory and CPU time and provides the necessary abstractions to allow applications to interact with these resources without needing to understand all the intricacies of the hardware. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. Actually, kernel is a part, no, or a core um, system, no, in every operating system like Microsoft Windows, Linux operating system, Mac OS, uh, Android operating system, for example. All of them has its own core kernel in order uh, to work, no. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.